Hey guys, this is TheDubWolf, and I'm going to be starting something called the Daily Vlogs. Yeah, that was the most eccentric thing I've ever done on a video. Yeah, Daily Vlogs. That's the first thing on the list. There's a list right here. Trying to be a little bit more organized. The list is not on the list. Second thing, my music updates. I know you guys just love those. Sorry for the delays. I just haven't been around a computer that can upload a video to YouTube. What I have been thinking is that I can do it I can make 5 videos or 5 songs at a time. That way, while I'm regularly posting or uploading videos on YouTube, the 5 videos, I'm then working on another 5 songs. So far I've only got 2. That Halloween one I mentioned earlier, not going to happen. The website that I did it on, updated, so then all my hard work for that one song down the share. Another thing, got a new Facebook page, which called is Steve. Gonna be writing down the link right here. Facebook.com Facebook.com / capital S. Okay, it's Steve the Killer. God damn it, stupid pencil. Look at my lovely handwriting. And it's backwards. Forgot about that. Might be forwards. Anyway. Whatever. I'll probably be putting it in the description below if I figure out how to do that. Anyway, you'll find it. Remember, Facebook.com / Steve the Killer. Capital S. The rest is in lowercase. Fudged up on that. I fucked up on that. Okay? I'm sorry. My wrist, I have a bad wrist and yeah. Anyway, next on the list, my future tattoo. It's gonna be awesome. I did not draw this. My art skills are not that good. Cover that up. You guys didn't see that. This is it. Right here. Except all of the red here, and here is going to be green. My colors, my colors for the TheDubWolf going to be green and blue. Did you recognize that? That's a raven and a wolf. You know, like the song, Raven and the Wolf. Get the connection yet? I'll give you some time. Did you get it yet? Okay, it's enough time. Okay, next thing. That's all on the list. Well, this is awkward. Well, tell me about yourself. I'm listening. Okay, I'm bored. Sorry, that's a bit rude, but all I'm doing is just staring at an iPod at my beautiful face. Not beautiful. Beautiful. I have. Speaking of beautiful, what do you guys think about my hair? If I washed it, what do you think? What would you think? Is my hair actually beautiful? Because I don't think it is. And I've heard so many people say that I have beautiful hair. Everybody's cut my hair. Every love interest. Not going to get too much into that. And special friends. Like I said, I'm not getting into that. It's for me to know and you to fantasize about and probably write fan fictions for. Even though I'm not famous. And yes, I did just pick my nose. Anyway, if you guys are still here, I love you. I don't really. I mean, like the kind of love or the YouTuber has with his fans. Yeah. Anyway. Where was I? I don't know. Oh yeah, I was going to tell you guys about myself. You can just so you have a basic knowledge of who you're watching videos about, or watching videos of. I am currently 18 years old. Oh, I almost forgot. I might be reading some creepypastas. Yeah. Maybe some fanfics. Maybe some other stuff. The way I'm going to do it is it's going to be dark. Since I don't have anything to cover the camera with. I'll be doing it in dark, late at night, be uploading it in the morning. I am not that good at reading. I'm not going to be doing it first. I'm not going to do a first take video. I'm going to get it perfect. When I say creepypastas, I mean a few that I wrote, which kind of creepy, not really. Like, I wrote this one called Tag. Probably going to be uploading one later today. Yeah. So anyway, that was not on the list. But that's completely from here. This, whatever is in between these ear holes, which is probably nothing. Anyway. Oh. And, don't know if you're watching this, but Dubstep and TheDubWolf, I chose this name because it came through my head. Came up here. I did not know you existed before you commented. Okay? I know you're probably not watching this. Just thought you should know. I have nothing against you. I hope someday we can become friends. And I'm TheDubWolf, not just DubWolf, okay? TheDubWolf. Not making myself the real DubWolf, just DubWolf. Just a little difference between our names. Anyway, yeah. So, Dubstep and DubWolf. I hope someday we can become friends. Don't want to be enemies. I don't like enemies. I would like friends. Because enemies cause drama. So do friends, but friends make up. Yeah. I'm a nice person. No, I'm not an asshole. Unless you piss me off. Yeah. Anyway. Wrote some creepypastas. Probably going to be writing some more. Going to be reading them. Going to be looking for more on the internets. Going to be reading those. Yeah. Once I get my own computer with a capture card and a microphone, going to be doing some game commentary maybe. YouTube, can you help me out with that, please? Seriously, YouTube, please get me a laptop. Send me a laptop. I will send you my address. I'm not saying this out loud. Oh, and looking for some fan art. Please get me some fan art. I'll even post for you. Pause it. There. Posed. And it's gonna be. Oh, I found another one more thing. Internets. I'm gonna be doing some things. Be trying some things out. See what's most comfortable for me. Another awkward silence. Hey, look, a gay baby was born. Oh no. Yeah. Oh, I know. Oh, another thing. Since I have a new iPod, that means I get Netflix. I'll be using my dad's account since I don't have money. Meaning, I'll be able to watch some shows. So, another thing along with the weekly rant thingy. I want to post as many videos as possible. In the comment section below, tell me a show or comment a show, and if you want me to watch a specific episode, say which episode, and I'll watch it. If it a series. If it's a series I've already watched, that'll be really good, because then I'll probably have some positive or negative comments about it. I mean, it just means a faster video. For this, there is no specific timing, because I might really like the show and I'll watch multiple shows of it, or I might not like the show and just watch 1 or 2 episodes. So, yeah. I don't like the show when the next video is like immediately the day after. Maybe not. I don't know. And yeah, I don't know what to call that yet. Oh, and another thing about the daily vlogs. I'm probably going to be naming this something else later on. Probably something like Wolfie's Life. Yeah. The Life of Wolfie. No. Lame. Okay. I'll come up with a name later. And, yeah. So sum it up. Daily vlogs. Every day. If I don't post one day, I'll post 2 of them the next day because I'll be recording for the day I didn't post. Or that I didn't upload. But, yeah. Music updates. We're going to be working on. I need to be working on 3 more. Going to be uploading those on a regular basis, not all at once. We're uploading those on a regular basis. So then, while I'm working on the other songs. Facebook page. Facebook.com/Steve the Killer with a capital S. Make sure that capital S is right there. All one word. I am going to be posting things about my videos. So yeah. Future tattoo, Raven and a Wolf. We're replacing, it's going to be red and green. Not red and green, what the fuck am I talking about? Blue and green. So, yeah. It's going to be blue and green. The TheDubWolf's colors. Not sure what else I talked about. But, wow, you can start a drinking game with me. You'd be getting hammered. Ha 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 ha. How I Met Your Mother, our friend says. Yes! Anyway. Creepypastas. I'm going to be reading creepypastas. Some of them I write, some of them I find on the internet. Yes, I do write. Woo! And another thing. What was it? Oh yeah. The shows. Post a comment of a show. If it's on Netflix, or the one that sounds more interesting to me the most. Yeah, that sounds the most interesting to me. I will watch, and I will comment on it. I'll be taking notes as I watch the show. Sorry about that. I thought I heard something. Yeah, I'm taking notes as it. I'm so sorry about that. I'll be taking notes as I watch the show. And yeah, I'll do some commentary. Not while I'm watching the show. Can't exactly do that yet. So yeah. I think that's it. If I missed anything, I'll be putting it in the description below as soon as I figure out how to do that with this iPod. If any of you can figure out how to put a description in here, tell me. Oh, and I'm using the, for those of you who actually know how to do it, I am using the YouTube Capture app for the iPod. So, it'll help. Please. Please. Pretty please. Okay. Bye. DubWolf out.